guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to try the Soft99 Bazooka. This one is going to put a layer of protection on the car. It's very simple to use. I'm just going to wash the car. I'm not going to show how to wash the car because you know how to wash a car. If not, you can find tons of videos on my channel and other channels in this topic. So I'm just going to wash the car and dry it, and after that I'm going to use the Bazooka. It's very simple to use. You just spray it on the surfaces, glass or metal, doesn't matter, and then you use a nice microfiber towel. You spread it all around, and then you turn it around the microfiber towel and you buff off the remainings, and basically that's it. Yep, so let's kick it. Oh, before we kick off, actually, a bit of small print. I did not purchase this product. I received it free of charge from www.porzelack.hu in order to be able to show you. Yep, I wanted to show for some time because I have it for a couple of months, but I couldn't because it would make no sense to put it on my own car, and I just have one car now on which I can use it. So let's go ahead now. Okay, as you've seen, it was that easy to apply. Literally just spray on, spread around, puff off. I feel that there is like maybe at least half left, so maybe it's enough for one more car, or maybe even more. Not sure, but I would give it one more for sure. So that was the raindrop from Soft99, the Bazooka coating or protection. Ideally, you would need to leave it for half an hour to dry or to work on its magic, and then you could just splash some water around. I'm not sure I still have a half an hour left just to test it at least on one panel, because soon the owner is coming to pick up the car. But we will see. If there is still a bit of time left, then you will see after the goodbye. If not, then give it a like or thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And wishing you a very nice rest of the day, and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.